Okay, good morning. I was asked to make a handle for a pasta maker. This is like a stainless steel pasta maker, but the handle is missing. Now, what I did is you'll see in the side here is the hole where the handle goes in, and then there's a type of a slot there. Now, I guess when they make it in the factory, they take a rod and then they punch it and then they make a little slot there for reach to grip there. Now what I thought making the handle, let's get a piece of a rod. It's normal 8mm. You first go measure the inside diameter of with a vernier, and then the slot, the side, the measurement from side to side here. Then you know what that type of you have to cut the other piece of metal on and then weld it on that rod so that they can grip there and that slots. It's actually very easy. You take this 8mm rod and then you make a slot in there with your angle grinder or the hacksaw. Then I took a flat washer. Then I measure that type of the thickness of the width of the slot, and then I cut this piece of washer, then I put it in that slot, tag it. You can see what I did here. You can see here's I made a slot here and put that little plate in the front and tag it with a welding machine in front. Then I cut two angles here. I guess you can somewhat bend it, but I don't want to damage the front. I cut it, bend it, and tack it again on the side also. Then I put a washer in and a piece of brass for a handle and another washer, and then I tack it again, weld it there so it can't come out. Now it works quite nice. Now you can put it in here in that slot, and then you can turn it. You can see it nicely. And okay, this is a way to make a handle. Should your handle be missing for your pasta maker. See, and it fits now everywhere. And then I took, because it's a normal mild steel, then I took this Durham, it's a rust buster. Then it gets all black. It's like a white fluid, and then it can protect the metal from unnecessary rust. I'll just give it another coat, and that's it. And there's your handle. So that's just a quick one, just to make a handle. Should you need to make a handle for something, there's a type of slot in there that you can see that slot. Then you take a rod and you put a plate in there with this. Then you weld it, and then it grips there. Then it works perfectly. Okay. This is all from me for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. Till next time. Cheers.